Good day everyone. My name is Stephanie Buenor Tolentino from BTLED 2A, and ngayon po i-discuss ko po sa inyo yung Gardner's Theory of Multiple Intelligences. Ayan. Meron po tayong 9 multiple intelligences at iyan po yung naka-list of contents po natin. Yun ay ang Visual Spatial Intelligence, Linguistic Verbal Intelligence, Logical Mathematical Intelligence, Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence, Musical Intelligence, Interpersonal Intelligence, Intrapersonal Intelligence, Naturalistic Intelligence, and Existential Intelligence po. Gardner's multiple intelligences. This theory suggests that traditional psychometric views of intelligence are too limited. Gardner first outlined his theory in his 1983 book Frames of Mind, The Theory of Multiple Intelligences, where he suggested that all people have different kinds of intelligence, o yung mga tao daw po ay may iba't ibang katalinuhan. Gardner proposed that there are 8 intelligences and has suggested that possible addition of 9th known as existentialist intelligence, or yung existentialist intelligence daw po ay addition lang po ni Gardner sa kanyang theory. In order to capture the full range of abilities and talents that people possess, Gardner theorizes that people do not have just an intellectual capacity but have many kinds of intelligence, including daw po dito yung musical, interpersonal, spatial, visual, and linguistic intelligences. Habang yung mga tao daw po ay particularly strong sa mga specific area, such as musical intelligence, they most likely possess a range of abilities. Mga singer kapag halimbawa si Regine. Ayan. People with musical intelligence enjoy singing and playing musical instruments, recognize musical patterns and tones easily, remember songs and melodies, have a rich understanding of musical structure, rhythm, and notes. Feeling ko nga meron din ako nito musical intelligence. Kasi dati nung elementary ako tumutugtog ako ng lyre at na-enjoy ko rin naman yung pagtugtog ng. Interpersonal intelligence. Those who have strong interpersonal intelligence are good at understanding and interacting with other people. These individuals are skilled at assessing the emotions, motivations, desires, and intentions of those around them. Ayan. Ang halimbawa po nito ay yung mga psychologists, yung mga counselor, yung mga politician. Ayan. Parang naano po nila yung emotion, na-assess nila yung emotions natin, na-motivate nila tayo. Tapos yung kung ano yung ano talaga ng intention natin. Ayan. Nakakapag-communicate po sila ng verbally. Thus are skilled at non-verbal communication. See situations from different perspectives, create positive relationship with others, resolve conflicts in group settings. Ayan. Nakapag-communicate daw po sila ng maayos sa ibang tao. Yun yung interpersonal intelligence. Ito na po tayo, pang 7 na po tayo. Intrapersonal intelligence. Individuals who are strong in intrapersonal intelligence are good at being aware of their own emotional states, feelings, and motivations. They tend to enjoy self-reflection and analysis, including daydreaming, exploring relationships with others, and assessing their personal strengths. Ang halimbawa po nito yung philosopher, yung writer, yung scientist. Ayan. Alam po nila yung yung pinaka-feelings nila, yung emotional po nila, na-handle nila yung sarili nila. At alam din po nila yung mga kahinaan nila pagdating sa kanilang mga kakayahan. People with intrapersonal intelligence analyze their strengths and weaknesses well, enjoy analyzing theories and ideas, have excellent self-awareness, understand the basis for his or her own motivation and feelings. Ayan. So, number 8 na po tayo sa multiple intelligences. Yun po ay ang naturalistic intelligence. Naturalistic is the most recent addition to Gardner's theory and has been met with more resistance than his original 7 intelligences. According to Gardner, individuals who are high in this type of intelligences are more in tune with nature and are often interested in nurturing, exploring the environment, and learning about other species. Excuse me. These individuals are said to be highly aware of even subtle changes to their environments. Halimbawa po nito ay biologists, yung mga gardener or yung mga farmer po. And yung mga nag-aano po sa agriculture na, halimbawa din po yung sa mga farmer, kung paano po sila magtanim. People with naturalistic intelligence are interested in subjects such as botany, biology, and zoology, categorize and catalog information easily, enjoy camping, gardening, hiking, and exploring outdoors, dislikes learning unfamiliar topics that have no connection to nature. Ayan, yung mga naturalistic, more on ano po sila, more on outside, ganyan. Excuse me. Ayan, ito na po tayo sa last number 9, yung addiction ni Gardner sa theory niya. Existential intelligence. Existential intelligence is the 9th type of intelligence suggested as an addition to Gardner's original theory. He described existential intelligence as an ability to delve into deeper questions about life and existence. People with this type of intelligence contemplate the big question about topics such as the meaning of life and how actions can serve larger goals. Halimbawa po ng existential intelligence ay yung mga pastor, yung philosopher, kung paano po talaga ano yung buhay natin, ganyan. Halimbawa na lang din po nito ng theory na to kung paano tayo mamuhay sa mundo. People with existential intelligence have a long-term outlook, consider how current actions influence future outcomes, interest in question about the meaning of life and death, strong interest and concern for others, strong interest and concern for others, the ability to see situations from an outside perspective. Yan yung pastor, kaya yung sa mga spiritual, ganyan. Sila po yung sa existential intelligence. May mga kaalaman about God, or sa philosopher yung iba't ibang kaalaman tungkol sa pamumuhay ng mga tao. Ayan. Thank you for listening. Doon po nagtatapos ang ating discussion. Pasensya na po kayo at naubo na po ako. Naubusan na po kasi ako ng laway. Nakasalita. So, yan po. Thank you po.